and welcome back. So I will be showing you how to install 666 callouts for your LSPDFR. So you want to click download this file and then agree and download. And it's going to be installing up there, so I'm going to go to downloads. I'm just going to wait for it. And that installs, it's going to be right here. I'm going to open it with WinRAR. You can really open it with anything. 666 callouts, and I want to pull up my GTA 5 main directory. So you want to copy these two folders, drag and drop in your directory. Okay, I have already installed these files, so you will not get this pop-up. So I'm gonna click replace. And then I'm gonna copy this file and I'm gonna drag and drop in my directory. Replace. Alright, and 686 callouts is and should be installed for you. I will see you in game.
Alright, we are back. I am in the game. As you can see, 686 callouts are loaded in. Well, I'm gonna go get a car. I'm going to grab this one. Well,
Hey, go Beaver! All the way, right?
686 callouts really work. So, we'll do start a while. See? You get all the 686 callouts. You don't really have to do start callout, start one. Some of them will start by them. They will start by themselves. For example,
we've got a possible burglary in Mirror Park.
sometimes some calls will glitch and show up as code 4, though.
Attention all units, we have prohibited
There's a
activity.
Fare Dodger.
Units respond code 2 in Strawberry.
Fare Dodger is, yeah, that's 686. Thank you.